Hey, here's a look at this robot floor vacuum in action. This is a nice one. It's got some good sensors on here too. Here it is, picking up the last bit of my styrofoam mess from an unboxing. Did a really good job of picking up all those little particles off the carpet, even some stuff you can't see, and made the carpet nice and clean. Really happy with how this thing navigates all around the furniture and the structures in the room, and really does a good job vacuuming and covering all the possible areas that are exposed that it can. So really happy with this thing. If you're looking for a robot vacuum, this would be a good one to get. We've also had this for a long time, and it's held up really well. So really happy with this.